The cell of a microorganism doubles itself every 15 minutes. There are 4 cells to start with. But in how much time will a cell equal 2 power 10? 4 to start with. After 15 minutes, it becomes 8. Another 15 minutes, it becomes 16. Another 15 minutes, it becomes 32. Another 15 minutes, it becomes 64. And so on. Or it goes from 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8, 2 power 9, 2 power 10. 4 sets of 15 minutes, 15, 15, 15, 15. Or 8 sets of 15 minutes. 4 sets of 15 minutes makes 1 hour. Another 4 makes 1 more hour, 2 hours. We multiply by 2 every 15 minutes. We start at 2 square. What should we multiply with to get 2 power 10? We should multiply with 2 power 8. Or we need to have 8 sets of 15 minutes, which is 2 hours.